Saturn Bowling or Bowling Saturn. The original title might be Flemish. This is a Belgian film, the Flemish film. Director Patricia Azui, who also co-wrote the script. Excellent. I thought this is almost perfect in the handling, so the director, writer, acting. Not minimalist in the sense that it is too big. Minimalist as I often remember Mies van der Rohe, fabulous architect, who said less is more. Indeed. I'm laughing because from high above, as in the third floor where the spouse is, the idea is to put as much as possible. I'm against that. But anyway, splendid, showing that you can do so much, as much as possible, really, without the budget of Mission Impossible, the latest number 6 or whatever number it is, which struggled to make a profit, as far as I know. I mean, it cost 300 billion. No, I'm stupid. That's the sense of proportion. 300 billion. That's the budget of the last 50 countries on the list together, maybe 100. We have again a minimal story, but not minimal in the sense that we're disappointed. On the contrary, we have two brothers, step-brothers. One, Guillaume, excellent. Ari, Vorhalter, I don't know how you read this, who is a police inspector, and his brother, Achille Reggiani. Would this be a co-production with the Italian contribution in Italian? I don't know. So Achille is Armand, stepbrother, and Guillaume is police inspector. The police inspector, I mean, they both had their father died. It was their father, both of them. And he had this Saturn Bowling, bowling alley with food, drinks, and some peculiar, atrocious Indian customers. Hunters, not occasional hunters, which I anyway love. I'm being facetious now, preposterous, but I don't love them. On the contrary, who put in the bowling room, Saturn, that's the name of the thing, that's the name of the place, put on a screen the killing of animals. They're shooting with like a cannon rifle. Băi, termina acolo. Ești acolo. A crocodile from a long distance. And other, a lion, full animal. And and they boast and they're loads of me. But even worse, we have a serial killer, our mom. We know. There's no need for a spoiler alert here, because we know, we see him doing it. And it's his brother who has to investigate. So they cross paths in strange ways. There's a tension from the beginning therein. We have one gruesome murder from the beginning. He invites a woman at his place. They have sex, but he starts getting rough, and then murders. So I think the film is restricted rated for the over 18. It was here. I'm not sure, but anyway, you can't be 18 and watch this. You can't be watching this. Not. Which is finished now. Wonderful motion picture.